Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Honda Civic X. First, take a moment to get comfortable in the driver's seat. Adjust your seat so you can easily reach the pedals and steering wheel, and set your mirrors for clear rear and side views. Next, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and the primary controls, like the ignition, lights, and wipers. Knowing where everything is before you start driving is key for a smooth experience. Now, let's cover the driving essentials. When you begin, apply gentle pressure to the accelerator for smooth acceleration and use progressive pressure on the brake pedal for controlled stops. Always use your turn signals well in advance of a turn or lane change. Remember to keep a safe following distance, typically 3 to 4 seconds behind the car in front, to allow for adequate reaction time. The Honda Civic X comes with several advanced features to enhance your drive. Safely use the infotainment system for navigation or music, ensuring your focus remains on the road. Familiarize yourself with the electronic parking brake. Simply pull up to engage and press down to release, with your foot on the brake pedal. Many Civics also offer safety features like lane keeping assist, which can gently help keep you centered in your lane. Finally, let's talk about parking and maintenance. Practice parallel and reverse parking in a safe area to build confidence. Knowing your car's dimensions is crucial. Regular maintenance is vital for your Civic's longevity, so check your tire pressure and essential fluid levels, like oil and coolant, often. And for those who love to read, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.